There is one influencer, teen influencer also, who took away her life because her number fell down from million to some thousands. The generation that we are raising nowadays is unable to accept the failure.
I have been rejected for big shoots. I was going to shoot with Saurav Ganguly for KKRT
Okay.
with Shah Rukh Khan, and everything was ready. My outfit was ready. The call time was ready. I'm leaving home after having my breakfast for the shoot, and suddenly they call that ma'am, जो senior आने वाली थी from Bombay, वो आ गई है तो आपकी जगह में वही कर रहे हैं. I was like broken to pieces कि like इतना भी bad luck हो सकता है like. And then I got an interview with Nas Daily. I was among those 15 influencers selected from India to do a one-to-one dinner with Nas Daily.
Wow.
Now that was big.
Welcome, Nandita, and thank you so much for taking out time. I know you are a very busy person, being an actor, RJ, celebrity influencer, and a mom of two. Thank you so much,
Thank
Nandita,
you.
one more time for taking out time for us.
Pleasure is all mine.
Okay, I have a couple of questions for you before we start. I introduce myself, Nandita. I'm Reena Chopra, founder at Sar Holistic Wellness and a mom of two again, and a psychologist by profession. My mission is calm mother raises calm children, and anxious mothers raises anxious children.
Okay.
So the purpose here is to work on the mental well-being of mothers so that ultimately they can raise happy children and make this world a better place to live.
Agreed.
Yeah. Okay. So Nandita, since you are so occupied and busy person and a busy human being, I want to know like how much important it is for a working woman to have a support from family and especially from her spouse.
I think it's one of the most important thing because जैसे बोलते हैं ना that when a tree grows, the roots has to be strong, and then only the tree will be strong and will live for long.
Mhm.
So in the same way, I think my roots are very strong. I've got a very supportive in-laws and husband, my parents. Like luckily, I don't have to see kitchen because mummy sees the whole kitchen. And Varun is hands-on kids. Like he sees everything of my son, whether it's academics, his class, everything. Because we have divided it. I see his extracurricular, and sees his studies and everything. And so this is how we have divided it, and this is how it works. And the support system makes you grow every day in life.
So Nandita, I want to ask you, since you have been blessed and may God bless you with more support and energy. But the thing is, in India, it is very rare that we find that mothers get working women, especially working mothers, they get, support that is needed. So what is your
I
one,
think
yeah, what is your one message to husbands who are watching this or the families who are watching this? Like why there is so much expectations from the mother? For example, if a mother is going to work, father is going to work, father comes back, lay down कि आज तो बहुत थक गया, आज थोड़ा टीवी देख लेता हूँ या कुछ खाने के लिए है, कुछ अच्छा डिश बना है, and mother straight goes to the kitchen, check on the meal या बच्चों का जो भी academics है, करिकुलर है वो चेक करेंगे. How much is important is the teamwork? How much it important is to communicate कि ये आपका responsibility है, ये मेरा responsibility है. How much important is that?
तो आई फील जो हमारे पुराने जमाने के जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस थे, आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वो माइंड में बस गया था लोगों का that when a woman is there, she has to do all these work, like whether it's kitchen, no matter how tired she is, she has to come back and see the kids, the in-laws, the kitchen, and the husband can come back and just relax on the sofa, watch TV, watch phone, whatever. But now it's different. Now it's like you do these things, I do these things. And of course, the perks are there because when you communicate, it things become easier. Like for example, when I was not working, when I had kids, so Varun used to be back by 7:38, and I used to wait for him that kab aap aoge, and then we'll spend some time together. Now it's opposite. There are times when I come back home at 10:30 after my shoot, and he's waiting, so sweetie, he'll call me that, what will you eat for dinner? And are you tired? It's because a give and take relationship. You have done that much, and that's how you will make your spouse learn that he's also supposed to do the same thing. It doesn't happen in one day or 1 month or 1 year. It takes time, but आपको पता नहीं चलता आप धीरे धीरे कब वो चीज इनकलकेट कर देते हो अपने spouses में. Like for example, whenever he used to be in his office, I used to call him in the afternoon, आपने lunch किया. So there were times when I was hungry, like मेरा fasting था, I was fasting the whole day, and he never called me once, how was your fasting going on? And that was the first and the last time when he didn't ask him, because I threw fit that, this is wrong. And we communicated that imagine I call you every day asking, have you had your food or lunch? And I'm hungry the whole day. You don't even ask me, how's my fasting going and all. And I think that was the first and the last time when he realized कि हाँ मुझे उसको call करना चाहिए and all that. And उसके बाद से कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ that he didn't call me because of the communication thing.
Amazing.
So when you communicate, and it does take time, that doesn't happen in one fortnight, but it's a give and take relationship,
बात
I
करना
feel.
जरूरी है. आई थिंक जब हम बात करना बंद कर देते हैं, when we start taking our relationship as parents, as partners for granted, I think that's the time when differences start building up. तो बात करो, बात करना बहुत जरूरी है. आई थिंक वो
बहुत जरूरी है. एंड ये नहीं सोचो दैट हाँ आपको तो ऐसे ही समझ ही जाना चाहिए था. नहीं, जरूरी नहीं है कि इंसान समझ जाए आप जो बोल. देयर आर टाइम्स व्हेन सब कुछ दिखता है बट फिर भी आप अनदेखा अनदेखा हो जाते हो, आप ब्लाइंड हो जाते हो.
राइट.
बिकॉज देयर आर टाइम्स आप कम्युनिकेट करोगे तो वो गाइडेंस होती है.
राइट.
I want these things, he wants these things. There are times maybe he didn't realize it. It's okay. अपना ही है यार, just बोलो. जितना कम्युनिकेट
का
करोगे.
सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम ये रहता है कि वो सारा दिन तो पहले एग्जॉस्ट हो जाते हैं, चाहे वो घर पे हैं चाहे वो वर्किंग है. फिर वो जो एक्सपेक्टेशन है आपके पार्टनर से या फादर ऑफ योर चिल्ड्रन, वो बात ही नहीं करते हो. आप सोचते हो कि वो ज्यूम कर ले और वो समझ जाए, लेकिन हमें समझना जरूरी है कि मेन स्पेशली इतना नहीं समझ पाते हैं. आपको बार बार बताना पड़ता है,
बताना.
एंड एट अ पॉइंट वो समझने लग जाते हैं. बट यस, it's a process, and you have to build in up. जैसे आपने
And I think women is made to multitask. We can do it. हम multi thinking भी कर सकते हैं, but men can't do it. So this is something, yeah, it is the law of nature. बनाए ही भगवान ने वैसा ही है. So we need to tell things to them repeatedly so that they also understand what we want. And it's okay.
Fathers are wired differently, mothers are wired differently, I think.
Absolutely.
ब्यूटीफुली आंसर नंदिता. जैसे कि हम अभी जनरेशन जेनजी की बात कर रहे थे. एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है, फोमो, फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट, कि
Yes.
सोशल मीडिया ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर आपके पास खड़ा कर देता है कि मम्मा देखो वो तो स्टडीज में भी अच्छा कर रहा है, देखो वो घूमने भी जा रहा है, देखो वो उसके पास शूज भी ब्रांडेड हैं, कपड़े भी ब्रांडेड हैं, एंड ही हैज गुड गुड सर्कल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स और गर्लफ्रेंड्स और व्हाटएवर. वो जो फियर ऑफ मिसिंग आउट है, वो आप अपने टीनेजर्स में कैसे कर्ब करते हैं, उसको कैसे इंश्योर करते हैं कि वो उसे वो एंजाइटी वो स्ट्रेस नहीं हो?
तो सबसे पहले ये चीज मैं अपने आप को मोल्ड की दैट फोमो मुझे नहीं होना चाहिए, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई कैन टीच माय किड्स. अगर मैं ही नहीं सीखूंगी तो व्हाट विल आई टीच देम? सो द फर्स्ट आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग इज आई स्टार्टेड choosing my friends where I'm celebrated, I'm not tolerated. So yeah, this is the first and the foremost thing which I did, because while I was growing in life, like it's been just 3 years and I've already finished like 3,500 brands by now. I'm the face of already 3,500 brands. And touch wood, with God's grace, when आप ऊपर बढ़ रहे हो like a rocket speed, there will be people who will stand beside you and there'll be millions pulling you down. And that is the challenge when you feel that how should you cut the FOMO and how should you grow also in life. So again, as I told you, that first things I started cutting down on friends who made me feel negative, who were jealous, and they were never happy with my success. So वो मुझे difficulty हुआ because there were friends जो सालों से मेरे friends थे, supposedly good friends थे. And then when I started growing in life, I realized they're not happy with my success. They're not standing with me. It was difficult for me to cut down on them because itne saalon ki friendship, like I'm talking about good 14 years or 13 years of friendship. And it did take a toll on me because I used to get dreams of
Oh,
maybe going back to them or asking them क्यों ये चीज कर रहे हो and all that. But then it took me a lot of time to just sink in that it's okay. And then I started making new friends who started supporting me, who had no filter. I could be myself. Maybe I'm in a pajama or no makeup, and still we are having that much of fun. So first and foremost thing, wo. Secondly, I started um gratitude, like even the smallest of happiness also, I started celebrating that. तो वो चीज बहुत जरूरी है. अगर आप छोटे से छोटे चीज को सेलिब्रेट नहीं करते हो, तो देन यू विल स्टार्ट कंपेयरिंग. Like a small gesture of maybe my husband messaging me, let's go for dinner, or my kids getting me a card instead of getting me a Gucci bag on Mother's Day, making a handmade card. That is something which is more important to me now than thinking, oh, मेरे को कौन सा ब्रांड दिया, मेरे को कितना कैरेट का सॉलिटेयर दिया, मेरे पास कौन सी गाड़ी है. So all these things I started cutting on, which is really difficult for people, especially women, because they are the biggest socialized than the men. And when they go into social gatherings, मैक्सिमम टाइम यही बातें होती है, ओ आप कहाँ हॉलिडे पे जा रहे हो, आपने कितने कैरेट का सॉलिटेयर लिया, आपके पास कौन सा बैग है ब्रांड का, एंड ऑल दैट. So I cut down on people who used to talk only this, because I never wanted to invest my time in such talks. I wanted to invest my time on females or maybe people who जिनसे मैं दो चीज सीखूं. जैसे with my kids also, I learn a lot
yeah.
with them. So this is how I started cutting down on my FOMO issues and jealousy issues. And then I started inculcating this on my kids. Like, for example, Vanisha came to me, ki, Mama, this friend has this bag, this friend has this pencil box, I don't have it. Then I took her to an orphanage home. I took her to the kids on the street, showed her that, gratitude karo ki aapke paas jo hai. Be thankful for that. I still remember my son was in standard 3. I went to pick him up. And the first question he asked me, kaun sa gaadi laya hai? And I was like, okay, for that moment, it was like a shocker for me, because he was in a school where the kids were talking about cars. I just reached the car and I told him I got a Swift or kya kuch aisi kuch gaadi thi, choti si. So he said, "Kyun Audi kyun nahi laya?" I just went till the car. My driver was there. I said, "आप गाड़ी लेके घर जाइए. मैं इसको लेके बस में आ रही हूँ." And he was like, "Mama, मैं बस में नहीं जा रहा हूँ." I said, "Why did you ask me this question?" That was the first and the last time he ever asked me that कौन सा गाड़ी लाया, कौन सा brand है. And with small things, you get these changes in your teens, in yourself. First, get it in yourself, and then get it in your kids. That's what I feel.
I think you've been very conscious and mindful when it comes to parenting, Nandita, because अगर उस दिन आप ड्राइवर को बोल के ऑडी मंगा लेते और स्विफ्ट वापस भेज देते, तो वो डिमांड आज मल्टीप्लाई होके कहीं और ही पहुंच चुकी होती कि
Absolutely. That would have been the first seed of poison I would have put inside him. जो मुझे नहीं करना है. And I always tell them, like, whenever they ask me that, whenever I ask them क्या बनना है and all that. So the first thing I tell them कि जो भी बनो life में, whether you're a doctor, you're an engineer, I never force them for anything till date. Whether it's classes, I have never forced them. But the only thing I tell them is become a good human being first. तुम क्या बनोगे मुझे नहीं फर्क पड़ता. Be a good human being and then decide what you want to.
Yeah, that's amazing. I think that is the one rule that we also have in family. पहले आप इंसान अच्छे बनो, कनेक्ट करो लोगों से, और फिर जो आप
be sensitive. ये मत सोचो like कोई रास्ता में अगर एक्सीडेंट हुआ मैं मुझे क्या, किसी के घर में अगर आपको किसी कोई फ्रेंड ने फोन किया है फॉर सम हेल्प और समथिंग, ना मुझे क्या. नहीं, बी सेंसिटिव. दैट्स व्हाट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. इफ यू आर सेंसिटिव, bingo, your 99% things are done.
Right. Amazing. I think you are 10 on 10 as a mother. I'm sure you are 100 on 10 as an actor and professional, but you're definitely 10 on 10 as a mother. How to stay focused? Because you are also in a industry, in a place where there is lot of distraction, and
Yes.
every day new things are popping up on social media. How do you make sure that your children are focused and not distracted in life? Is there any strategy that you follow? Is there any practice that you follow? Is there any different that you do as a mother?
Yes. First and foremost thing to stay focused is less of gadget usage.
Hmm.
Like I feel कि अगर ये gadgets होते ही नहीं, things would have been so different. Like I remember हम खेलते रहते थे घर के बाहर घंटों घंटों, and mom used to just call, just come, have your milk, have your food. We had no
यादें को
time.
पता ही नहीं होता था हम कहाँ हैं। 4 4
हम कहाँ
घंटे इसको पता ही नहीं होता था कि कहाँ हैं हम बच्चे।
exactly, and I really miss that. You know, our kids are not seeing that life. So the first and the foremost thing is जितना आप कम usage gadgets का कर सकते हो, like whether it's me, whether it's my kids, there is screen time for them. Number one. Number two, I have divided their classes, their schedule, so that your mind is diverts, like deviates less on all those other things which is not necessary. So maybe like agar aap pure din busy ho on productive things, like for example, my son is very good in football, so he plays football like twice a week. My daughter is very good in dancing and aerial, so she goes for dancing twice a week. So this is how I've scheduled their classes. Screen time definitely, and their other things. So इससे क्या होता है ना, आप defocus नहीं होते हो, आप focus ज्यादा रहते हो, and whenever defocus things comes, you don't have time to sit and even give more time to that.
Since you are a very busy person, how do you make sure that you are keeping a tab on your children and you're connected?
Okay. So sometimes it is very difficult because आप ज्यादा अगर उन लोग को pull करोगे या push करोगे, they will might divert themselves to a negative
Yeah,
area.
yeah.
So it's a very sensitive thing, and so sometimes me and my husband, we play the bad cop and the good cop. And recently I was so happy, like I always just think that my son never shares anything with me, he shares everything with my husband. But I was so happy that he shared everything, whether it was his girlfriends, his school, his issues. And I think that was like a trophy for me, that ऐसा नहीं होता है that only sons are close to their fathers. They
Yeah.
can be close to their fathers. And I want to be one of those mothers who's close to their kids, and they should share everything with me, because my parents have done that with me. Like I still remember love letters aate the, and proposals aate the, and my parents used to sit with like on the dining table, and we used to read the letters, and we used to laugh because koi ki English itni funny hoti thi. And so we had a great time. They never forced me about marrying. They never forced me ki isko chodo, ye friend ko chodo, isko choose karo. They let me be me.
Yeah. Take
So
this.
that was exactly, this is what I want my kids to do, is let them be themselves, let them grow. आपने अपना
How would you react if he chooses somebody that you do not like? Maybe, sometime
I can guide him. I can guide him, but at the end, it's his choice. I'll be always there for him. Maybe I want him to learn on his own. Him and her, like whatever
He would
Vanisha
make
chooses.
mistakes. Yeah.
Yeah, I can guide him. Rest, let him learn on his own. That's what I would want for both my kids to do.
Yeah. That's amazing. क्योंकि जितना आप pull करेंगे, they will get more repel on that.
Exactly.
किसी को
It's a very
girlfriend
sensitive thing. So जितना आप उनसे friendship करोगे, उनसे open रहोगे, उतना they will open up with you. And I feel, छोटे छोटे चीजों को importance नहीं देना चाहिए. Like I think, like, we scream on our kids for small things. ये क्यों गिराया, ये क्यों कर दिया, marks ऐसे क्यों आए. नहीं, it's okay. Like again, I always tell my kids one more thing, that I'm not saying कि तुमको जीतना पड़ेगा. Give your best. ये मत आके बोलना कि मम्मा I could have done better. No. Give your best. Say mama, I gave my best. उसके बाद नहीं हुआ, that's a different thing. But give your best, and then we'll see whatever happens. And I think that's because of maybe these reasons they are excelling. As I told you, Viman is the national level Lego champion. Vanisha is aerial champion. They all are very good in their extracurricular and their studies too.
जो
So
कर
God
रहे
has
हैं
been
वो 100% कर रहे हैं, तो वो आप एनर्जी उनमें डाल रहे हैं कि जो करो उसमें पूरा एनर्जी डालो, बाकी देखा जाएगा.
And compare kabhi mat karna. Like this is one of the biggest mistake a parent does in his or her life, is comparing. उसको देखो, उसके इतने मार्क्स आए, उसको देखो, उसने ये पहना, उसको देखो, उसका ये चीज हुआ. No, your child is equally special.
Yeah.
So celebrate your child,
Yeah.
she is.
लेकिन
and
आप
that's how he was celebrating.
हम्म, हम अपने बच्चे की स्ट्रेंथ्स भूल के ना दूसरे बच्चे के सक्सेस में ध्यान देने लग जाते हैं। हो सकता है आपका बच्चा ड्राइंग में इतना अच्छा है कि वो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा नहीं होना चाहता। मेक हिम एन आर्टिस्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग हिम अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन। सो दिस इज वन मैसेज आई वांट टू गिव टू ऑल द पेरेंट्स आउट देयर कि किसी भी स्किल को छोटा या बड़ा मत समझो। स्किल स्किल है। एंड आजकल
Just-
टाइम ऐसा है, आप किसी भी स्किल पे मोनेटाइज कर सकते हो। इट जस्ट दैट यू
and see
शुड राइट
and
डायरेक्शन।
see this in your child and enhance that.
या
Don't force him to do anything which he doesn't like, he or she doesn't like. Don't force.
या
Because आप जितना force करोगे उतना वो child rebel करेगा और उतना वो against जाएगा उस चीज से, including
Including what did you say? It got cut.
पढ़ाई.
Padhai.
Yeah, like I remember I was not a 90% student. I was always a 70% student. So I don't remember my parents forcing me पढ़ना पड़ेगा या 90% लाना पड़ेगा. Rather they saw the other things inside me, the other talents. Like I was an RJ Lady Michi. Just they saw that in me, and they saw how I would get good with other things, like maybe it's passion, whether it's a debate, anything, and they pushed me to that towards that. And I think that helped me. I took acting classes, I took anchoring classes and other things, and that's how that led me to what I am today.
Yeah. कुछ भी वेस्ट नहीं जाता है. So Anandita, how long you were on break when you had your children?
Quite some time. I was married when I was 22, and my last show was, I was in Balaji Telefilms. I was in Kasauti Zindagi Ki. I was playing third grandchild, and that was when I was 20.
Okay.
I was an RJ when I was 18 and 19. Like I did RJ for 2 years. I got married when I was 22, and I had my first child when I was 24. So I had a good break from 24, I think, till 3 years back.
So how old are you now?
39.
Amazing, amazing. So you look very young, by the way, Nandita.
बाल विवाह का फायदा.
So you got married at 22.
Yes, it was my decision, solely my decision to get married early, because of another one more reason, because I had seen that shosha wala zindagi, because when you're shooting in places like Bombay, Delhi, आप वो सब दुनिया इतना देख चुके होते हो कि आपको वो सब क्रेविंग नहीं होती, ओ मुझे हाई फाई पार्टीज में जाना है या मुझे हाई फाई लोगों से मिलना है. ये सब खत्म हो चुका है बहुत पहले, because yeah, it's done. Now when I got married in Calcutta, when people used to talk about solitary देख के friendship करना, पैसे देख के friendship करना, I feel it's a waste of time. I feel friendship करो इंसान के नियत देख के, इंसान का दिल देख कर. That's what I. And this is why it never affected me, because I went smooth. And in these 3 years, when I did 3,500 brands also, I still remember brands coming and telling me that you are approachable. You are so warm as an influencer. So boss, influencer का काम ही है to be grounded. You can't have air. Then how will you influence other people being an influencer? Yes, you are an actress. Fair enough. You can have air. But ye mat bolo that being an influencer, you have an air, and people are like, ma'am, they are not even approachable. You are so approachable. You are so grounded. That's my job. That's what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to influence people with my nature. With even for any brands, any outfit I'm wearing, people like, kahan se liya? Definitely I'll tell you kahan se liya. I'm not someone to say, kaun se exhibition se liya? Yaad nahi hai yaar, and chupa ke rakho and all that. It's so common.
So, how did you start your journey, professional journey again? What happened? What struck you hard? कि नहीं अब तो time आ गया कि it happened like a flow.
So I was teaching in a Montessori. I took up Montessori so that I can balance the time. मैं बच्चों को भी, kids were too small and I wanted to work, because क्या होता है ना, जब आप शादी के पहले work कर रहे होते हो तो वो एक कीड़ा लग जाता है. You can't sit idle at home at all.
True.
तो वो कीड़ा लग जाता है, and I was like craving to go back to work, but I knew I didn't want to do a 9 to 5 job. I wanted to do something which is productive and will help my kids in future. So then I did Montessori, and it really helped me to know आपको कौन से stage पे बच्चे को क्या introduce करना है.
Right.
Which was very nice. Yeah, it really helped me. And then I realized that I think 3 years back, people started influencing. पहले था ही नहीं. There was no term as
Yeah,
influencer.
yeah, yeah,
So either you were doing shoots
yeah,
or you were doing nothing.
yeah,
So here in Calcutta, there are very less production houses who have Hindi productions.
yeah,
And I'm very bad at Bengali. I don't want to go into Bengali productions because number one, I murder the language.
yeah,
Number two, I don't want to go into Bengali productions.
yeah.
So then suddenly 3 years back, जब influencing start हुआ, people used to send me gifts and all कि आप अपने पेज में डालो, like platter and all आता था brands का कि आप अपने पेज में डालो. And I was like, what will I do? My page is not even public. Yeah, the only thing I was popular in Calcutta till now is also for my holiday pictures.
Okay.
So when I love being in front of the camera, and whenever we are going for some exotic destination, we make sure we have a camera fan who is clicking our pictures. And like for example, I went to
Okay.
yeah. I love getting clicked in. Like of course वो जगह होनी भी चाहिए वैसी, ये नहीं कि आप कहीं पे भी और कहीं पे भी क्लिक करवा रहे हो. So like for example, ग्रीस में जो अब लोग जाके वो क्लिक करा रहे pictures with that flowy gowns, I did that 15 years back.
Okay.
So when I used to do all that, people knew, oh, इसके तो photos and videos viral जाते हैं. So maybe that's the reason people started sending me platters. And I'm like, मेरा public page है भी नहीं, so what's the point? Then I realized that I'm not doing justice to the brands.
Yeah.
And then I thought, might as well, just take it up as influencing. And it started like that. And by now, I have already interviewed 15, 16 celebrities, which includes Karishma Kapoor, Nas Daily. I don't know if you're aware of Nussair Yassin, Nas Daily, the brand.
Yeah.
And a lot of other actors and actresses. So it gives me a pride that, जब आप खुद initiative लेते हो, doors अपने आप खुलते जाते हैं. And one thing I believe is give your 200% and don't do different things. Do things differently.
Yeah.
This my father has always taught me.
Amazing.
Don't do different things. Like just do things differently. Stand out from the crowd. वो भेड़ बकरी की तरह जो सब कर रहे हैं वही मत करो. And I think maybe that's
virtual podcast कर रहे हैं आपके साथ.
And so different for me. This is the first time I'm doing something like this.
Everybody is doing podcasts, but we are doing it differently. That to a mother doing to a mother. I'm not a camera person at all. But since I have started doing podcasts, it has given me such a boost in my confidence. I think when we try new things, we are very scared. But when we practice it, we become very confident. And then people start appreciating that and telling you कि नहीं अभी तुम ठीक लग रही हो कैमरा पे अभी कोई गड़बड़ नहीं है.
I think anything you do for the first time, वो एक डर हिच तो रहता ही है. Like for example, I always wanted to do skydiving, and the first time when I saw the view from the plane नीचे में, एक बार की तो लगा I am dead. Like why did I even think of doing something like this? मुझे नहीं करना चाहिए था. But the moment the jump happened, the tandem jump happened, trust me, I never wanted to come down.
Oh.
So it's all about that first time. And ठीक है, क्या होगा, failure हो सकता है, उससे ज्यादा तो कुछ नहीं होगा ना. So just accept the failure like your achievement and go on.
There is one influencer, a teen influencer also, who took away her life because her number fell down from million to some thousands. And why children now, the generation that we are raising nowadays, is unable to accept the failure, and how do you make sure and train your children to accept failure?
So the first and the foremost thing to accept failure is to think जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. अगर आप ये चीज अपने जहन में डाल लोगे, you have won half of the battle. Like for example, in my stream, my career, there were times when I have been rejected for big shoots. Like आप सोचो, I was going to shoot with Saurav Ganguly for KKRT.
Okay.
With Shah Rukh Khan. And everything was ready. My outfit was ready. The call time was ready. I'm leaving home after having my breakfast for the shoot. And suddenly they call that ma'am, जो senior आने वाली थी from Bombay, वो आ गई है, तो आपकी जगह में वही कर रहे हैं. I was like broken to pieces कि like इतना भी bad luck हो सकता है, like कैसे? then I made myself understand कि कोई बात नहीं, you know, maybe something big has to happen. And then I got an interview with Nas Daily. I was among those 15 influencers selected from India to do a one-to-one dinner with Nas Daily. Now
Wow.
that was big.
Yeah.
So कुछ भी ऐसा कुछ होता है जब आपकी फेलियर होती है, जस्ट ये चीज अपने जहन में डालो कि जो होता है अच्छे के लिए होता है. There must be something bigger which God has planned for you and better. So
Yeah.
never sulk and never be upset on your failures.
Yeah.
I think you should celebrate your failures and think that, bingo, I'm ready for the next challenge.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड आई थिंक बच्चों को ये सिखाना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि हम बहुत बारी ऐसा करते हैं कि बच्चों को बहुत टीच करना चाहते हैं, ऐसा करो वैसा करो, बट एज पेरेंट्स एज मदर्स हम खुद डेमोन्स्ट्रेट नहीं कर पाते कि फेलियर को हैंडल कैसे करना है। थोड़ा सा
एकदम.
ऑफिस में प्रेशर हुआ, घर में आके झगड़ा कर दिया, बच्चों को डांट दिया। थोड़ा सा फ्रेंडशिप में कोई इशू हुआ, घर में माहौल खराब कर दिया। सो अगर आप अपने इमोशंस नहीं संभाल पा रहे हो एट द एज ऑफ 35 to 40, अपना फेलियर्स हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहे हो, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट योर टीनेजर, हाउ डू यू एक्सपेक्ट योर चिल्ड्रन हु आर स्टिल ग्रोइंग कि वो हैंडल कर।
एकदम. And don't make anyone your punching bag at, like, maybe your husband, your kids. आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, आप उनके ऊपर चिल्ला देते हो, आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, and then later you feel कि अरे यार मैं तो ठीक हो गई हूँ क्योंकि मैंने उनको पंचिंग बैग बना दिया. Never make your kids and your husband your punching bag. आपको अपसेट लग रहा है, talk to your parents, talk to someone, talk to your husband, talk to your kids. Find different ways of removing those emotions from inside you. If you love reading, if you love doing, like for me, when I am upset, I just want to dance and take it out. There are times I scream at my kids also. I'm not perfect, but then I immediately next moment I go and I make sure that मैं उनको ठीक कर दूँ. Please be very sensitive towards your kids, whether to your elders, to your friends, to people. आपको नहीं पता आपकी कौन सी एक्शन उनके दिमाग में रह जाए, create negativity later.
अब कॉन्शियस होना जरूरी है आई थिंक, और हम सबसे ज्यादा कॉन्शियस ही नहीं रहते एज अ पेरेंट, और बच्चों को बहुत ग्रांटेड लेते हैं कि तो ये तो छोटा है, ये तो छोटी है, इसको क्या याद रहने वाला है। बट लेट मी टेल यू, 90% ऑफ द ब्रेन डेवलप्स बाय द एज ऑफ 6। और जब आप
Absolutely.
सोच रहे हैं कि बच्चा छोटा है, बच्चा सब समझ रहा है, एब्जॉर्ब कर रहा है, और तभी जो आजकल एडल्ट्स हैं, कितने आप एडल्ट्स देखेंगे एंशियस पैनिक अटैक्स आते हैं, उनको एंशियस हो जाते हैं, छोटे छोटे डिसीजंस नहीं ले पाते हैं।
Share everything with your kids, talk everything under the sun with your kids. Like things like issues like periods, sex, condoms, like don't think it's a taboo.
या
आप उनको अभी बात करोगे तो later stage में they are aware of what they have to do. Like I remember my parents never spoke to me about this, and because of which there were times when I was confused that, you know, क्या करना चाहिए, you know, like what. So this is something again which I don't want to do with my kids. I want to talk everything with them. पहले से ही they are aware. Like a simple thing that when I'm chumming, I'm having my periods, my son should know how to treat me. My husband should know how to treat me. I'm going through mood swings. I will have mood swings later when I have my menopause and all. So they should be aware of that. When I am screaming or I'm getting irritated because of my health issues, they have to be calm.
या
So this is something again very important thing which you should talk to your family, to your kids, and update them कि ऐसा होता है, so that they are ready कि अच्छा ये issue आया, mama can I talk to you about this. They should not feel that hitch कि करे बात नहीं करे. And maximum times इस hitch के वजह से ही सारे problems होते हैं.
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली, यू आर राइट।
Whether it is whether the kids are committing suicide, elders are committing suicide, they don't know what to do. They have multiple relationships with multiple people because उनको idea ही नहीं रहती है. They are not educated. They have no idea what to do, how to go about it, how to talk about relationships.
या वेरी गुड।
So communication is very important. Communicate everything with your kids, with your friends, family, everyone whom you know around. That is the best way to have a healthy relationship.
Amazing. So, Nandita, since you have given us an insight on so many things, I was not expecting this much. I think we have a bombardment of information, and you have flooded in with so much enthusiasm and energy. I
The
really,
information I feel we have everywhere. Like you open the internet, इतना information सब ज्ञान देने के लिए ready रहते हैं. बट उस ज्ञान को आप कितना फॉलो करते हो वो ज्यादा जरूरी है. Like I must have like itna information I gave you, itna gyan both of us exchange and everything. But depends how much we are inculcating that in our life. Like we always say, बच्चों को फोन मत यूज करो, फोन मत करो, फोन मत करो. But आप कितना यूज कर रहे हो? Like so, this is a rule in my house which I only made, that whenever we are sitting on the dining table with my in-laws, with kids, my husband, we
Phone.
can't use phone.
Yeah.
चाहे आप घर पे हो, चाहे आप बाहर हो. We have, so every Sunday we go out for either dinners, movies. phone नहीं use कर सकते हो आप unless it's very important.
Yeah.
And we made a very silly rule, like whoever will use the phone first has to pay the bill. So, उससे क्या होता है, देखिए अच्छा फोन नहीं यूज करना है, it's not something big but it's something fun. So सब दोनों चीज हो जाता है, आपका फोन भी
Family
यूज
room.
कम हो जाता है and family time भी ज्यादा हो जाता है.
Right. Amazing. So thank you so much, Nandita, being so kind, humble, nice, energetic, all in one moment. And I
Thank
really,
you so much to give me this opportunity to talk my thoughts, because every day मैं सिर्फ like आधा ज्यादा टाइम मेरा जाता है makeup, shoots, come back home, relax, and then the same schedule. So this is something so different that you're sharing your thoughts, you're exchanging thoughts, and again something for the betterment of the society.
yeah.
So hope something good happens after this interview.
Yeah, definitely. As a founder of Sara Holistic Wellness, my motto is to bring that information from the right people and spread it to the community, so that I become a moderator for information that's happening here and there, because internet पे बहुत information है, as you mentioned, but coming it
Right.
from right people like
And people who face this every day.
people from real people who have
Real
experienced
people.
it, and who can actually throw some light on the issues. That's my motive. I think you have done more than justice to whatever you could have done. So thank you so much
Thank you so
for your
much.
time. Yeah.
It was awesome, awesome, awesome talking to you.
Thank you so much. Hello, parents. If you find our podcast relatable, educational, then do subscribe to our channel. In the comment box, write your parenting challenges. We'll try to address them one by one. And never forget to share it with amazing parents like you. Because remember, by learning together, we can raise kind, confident, and connected children for happy families and happy nations.